and there is nothing more satisfying than when the first of a month falls on a Monday. Happy Monday. Do you know what today is? Today is June 1st, and there is nothing more satisfying than when the first of a month falls on a Monday. It's just so motivating, and I woke up today feeling really inspired and positive. Plus, it's sunny. I'm always in a better mood when it's sunny. You can see the sun streaming into my room. It just makes me so happy. And I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, organizing, getting things sorted. I've got goals, plans, all that kind of stuff. It's just a classic monthly reset today. And I'm really looking forward to it. I'm gonna start by putting away all of my clothes. These are the clothes that I try on because I can't seem to figure out what I wanna wear on the weekends. And then by Monday, I always have a pile of clothes that need to be put away. So that's what we're gonna start with today. I'm gonna do a quick bit of dusting because look at it, you can see how dusty it is in here. It gets so dusty in here very quickly. While I'm doing a bit of cleaning, I think I might also wash the bed sheets, and I'll probably do a load of towels as well. I really want to do some planning and goal setting for June. I haven't done this in such a long time, and I came into 2026 with the intention of doing this more often, and it just hasn't happened. I feel like I've been stuck in this realm of indecision for the longest time. Were any of you kids who had sticker books, but then you just never ever used the stickers because you couldn't find the perfect place to put the sticker? Because that was me, and that has definitely trickled over into my adult life, and I've been feeling it so much lately. I need to buy another IKEA bookshelf for the entryway for storage, and I can't pull the trigger on it because all I keep thinking is, what if there's a better storage option? What if there's a better cabinet, a better table, a better styled thing? I don't know, and it's driving me up the wall that I just can't seem to pull the trigger on a lot of things because I'm afraid it's the wrong thing. Like this little diary, for example, I purchased this at the beginning of the year. It is 2015 Kiki K. I got it off eBay secondhand, and I haven't used it, and I've had so many questions about my planning, and it was because I couldn't find the perfect inserts, and then I tried to design them, and then I couldn't figure that out, and I need to buy some. I just need to buy some and just commit to it and just start using it. And June is going to be the month that I'm going to start committing to things and just doing things. It's going to be my number one goal. This has been the way that I've been planning a lot lately. It is just this kind of ugly, plain notebook that I use to write my daily to-do lists on, ideas and thoughts. I don't love it, but it has been the only thing that sort of kept me together in terms of planning for the last few months. And so I'm going to use it right now and start writing some goals and just throwing down some ideas, and then I might figure out a better way to organize it. I started making some categories, so I have some home projects, I have some cleaning projects that I want to work on, and then I guess these ones are like more personal. I think I have all of my goals now, so I've decided to create 4 different categories. I've got personal, home, fitness, and cleaning For personal, I just want to be more decisive. Then I also need to find my passport because it is gone. I want to get planner inserts for the planner. And I also want to start my next creative project. I want to make sure I'm doing a new creative project every month. I need to get the cabinet for the entryway. I need to get some bathroom organization. I need to actually put down the dining room rug. It's sitting in the corner. I need to hang the curtains in the bedroom, and I also want to get some wall art for the bedroom. Personal, I want to close my rings for every single day on my watch. I also want to add weights back into my routine. I used to do these little morning exercises on YouTube in the living room, and I haven't done them for a while, and I want to add them back in. And then for cleaning, I really want to clean the outside of the windows in the bedroom because they're really dirty, and I think with the type of windows we have, it's going to be possible. And then I also want to start deleting apps off my phone. My phone is a mess, and this is something like a digital declutter is really on the list. I just made myself a little bit of lunch. We got some sliced ciabatta baguette with avocado, tomato, onion, cilantro, salt, and pepper. And I also went and put the sheets and the towels in the dryer. So I'm gonna eat this, and then once everything's dry, we can make the bed. As usual, you take the first bite and it falls apart, but it's so delicious. Washing is done. I'm gonna put away the towels, make the bed. I also changed into gym clothes because it is a beautiful afternoon out there. I feel like it's gonna get a little overcast, and I wanna start getting the steps in and hitting that daily target for June. So excited to actually have a month where I can now challenge myself to close my rings every single day. I originally wanted to do this in April, and then 2 weeks into April I smashed my watch screen, so then I couldn't use it, so April was out the window. And then in May, the 1st of May started on a Sunday, and I had a lazy Sunday, and I didn't realize until the second that I'd missed the first day of May, and I was like, great, May's out the window too. So June 1st, and we are going to do this every day this month. I picked up a couple of packages on my way in. This one is cleaning products. We got some more Scrub Daddy sponges, and then also a very large glass refill because I want to clean the windows and we ran out. And then to also clean the windows, I bought a ladder. I just think this will be far more practical and far safer than standing on a flimsy little stool to not only reach stuff at the top of the cupboards, but to clean the windows, and also to be able to install the curtain rods in the bedroom. This is just one of those things that we've kind of needed for a long time. It seems pretty sturdy. I think this was a good choice. That's perfect. Seriously, that is such a good height. All the way up. If I stand on it, I can easily touch the ceiling, and it's definitely the right height for 9-foot ceilings. I was gonna get a 3-step one. I'm really glad I got the 4-step because the 3-step, I would not be tall enough to reach the ceiling. And then it just folds back up, and it's pretty compact. So I'm very, very happy with this choice. This is going to come in handy. I think I'm gonna pack the dishwasher real quick. I made a little afternoon matcha, and I have clothes from the other day that need to be put away. I decided to sit down and do a little look for the planner inserts, and I originally had my eye on the cloth and paper ones, which I really like the minimalistic design of them, but there's a few things that I wanted to change, which is why I originally attempted to make my own, but that didn't happen because I was having printer issues and it just didn't happen. Maybe sometime between now and the new year I will make my own planner inserts, but I decided to just go for it and get the cloth and paper ones. So I ordered a plain grid that I thought would be good to just create lists. I could also write my goals down on that grid. I also got a monthly calendar and then a weekly calendar. So I think they're arriving in a couple of days. Maybe in my next video we could set the planner up and see what it looks like, but I'm really excited. And then I just made another purchase as well. I decided to get a disposable camera. So on Saturday, my friend and I went out. We went out to the Nationals baseball game, and then we also went to the bullpen, which is like this outdoor bar thing afterwards. And I noticed that just no one had their phones out. No one had phones out. No one was taking pictures except for this one group of girls that had a disposable camera. And it got me a little inspired. And so I've decided to order myself a disposable camera for the month of June. So that means just one roll of film, whole month of June, one time at taking photos, and then at the end of each month I'm gonna have this like physical photo album of memories to look through, and I'm really excited about it. And I just think that's gonna be something that's so cool. So they should be arriving in a couple of days, and I think that's just gonna be a fun, I don't know if it's a goal, I guess we can write that down as a goal as well, but it's just something fun to do, and I think it's a really cool idea, especially as we go into summer with like lots of summer memories. Anyway, I guess I'm just really excited for this new planning system with my actual diary that I finally get to use. I thought I would quickly share with you the beginning of my next project. I did say one of my goals from here on out is to have a project to work on every month. And so I saw this really beautiful blue brocade fabric and I wanted to make a top out of it and have like a little frill with it. And then I ordered this one as the lining, but I didn't really love the color of it because I didn't feel like it matched this very well. So then I ordered this one, and I don't know, I think that matches a bit better. This green doesn't really match either of them, I don't think. Actually, no, it definitely matches this one better. So I think maybe I'll go with this. So this will be the inside, outside, frill at the bottom, and I just misplaced the pattern pieces. These are the pattern pieces, and it's just gonna be a pretty simple little shift top. Oh, I also have a zipper somewhere. The zipper's blue. I don't know, it's somewhere. I think this color's the right choice. Let me know what you think. I'm really excited. I think we could also start this in my next vlog as well. We can start working on my goals in my next vlog. How does that sound? Today we set the goals up. Next vlog, we start working on them. But I'm really excited for this project, and I definitely need to get stuck into it and stop procrastinating on it. I do have a fair bit of admin work to get through this afternoon, but I hope you've enjoyed hanging out while we set ourselves up for June. I'm so excited for all these goals and to just have a clear vision for the upcoming month. I'm so excited to get the planner so I can actually start planning out my weeks just a little bit better, and I can kind of ditch this large notebook because it's not going to be as good as this guy. This guy it deserves to be written in. So I hope you've enjoyed hanging out. I hope you're having a great start to June, and I will see you in my next video.